Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is super exciting because I don't know if you can tell, but that's right, I changed rooms. So today I'm gonna be bringing you guys along, showing you how I painted my room, decorated it, organized it, did all of that to be able to get that boho vibe, and all for cheap because you know I am just a teenager, so it has to be affordable. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing I had to do was, of course, paint my room because before it was a beige, ugly color, and now we painted it white. But for the sake of this video not having an extremely long video, I already painted the room and already put in the main furniture. So this is how my room looks before I decorate it. So as you can see, it only has the main furniture, the carpet, the desk, and that type of stuff. But the first thing I want to do is decorate the walls. So I want to hang some nice like boho stuff up there. So I'm going to nail some nails into the wall so I can hang them. So now all the nails are on the wall and now it's time to decorate. So I have these decorations that they don't really belong on the wall, like they're not wall decorations, but I think they look really cute. And I also have these things. And I have two decorations that I made myself. First one is this one. It's all like, I dropped some of the jewelry. They're all jewelry related because I like jewelry like we all know. Right now I have some rings and necklace, one. But this is actually a basket. This is how it looked like before. And I painted it gold. I painted it gold and now this is gonna be my earrings holder. They're all falling. And I have this one, which is gonna be my necklace holder, which I also made myself. And this is actually to hold this basket before, and I think this would be a really nice glasses holder because I live in Miami, so we have a lot of glasses, and I also painted this one gold. So it's time to decorate. Okay, so now I wanted to add some plants, some nature into my room because I love plants. But the thing is that Trufa, my cat, she likes to eat them. So I thought that maybe I would put these plants like hanging up there. So yesterday, I don't know if you can see it, but yesterday my dad put in the little like hooks on the wall because he needed to use a drill. And now I'm going to hang, I need to hold this, is gonna fall. I'm going to hang these like plant holders. You guys will get the idea. First wall, check. So I was thinking while we're at it, I might as well just finish this whole side of the room. So I'm going to decorate my bed with its pillows. Decorating my bed, check. Well guys, now that I decorated that side of the room, meaning the side right next to my bed, it's time to decorate the other side of my room. I know the lighting is pretty bad, but don't worry, I'm not going to be here for long. But the first thing I wanted to do was kind of hang something here. I'm a YouTuber. And I already put everything inside of my desk, but of course on my desk I really need to have a light. So I have this gold one. And now I'm gonna put the thing that I wanted to put on that wall. So right now, this is my best option, this gold G, which lights up. I need to buy the batteries. But I need to figure out what I'm gonna put there that's a little bit nicer. In the future, I'll show you guys what I decide.
I'm also going to put these decorations on my dresser. I have this Buddha, and I have this little thing with like my oils, this little thing.
It says sunny days ahead, which is usually true because I live in Miami.
Now I have Chupa's bed and my little bedside table, which of course I need to add.
Now I decorated my other side of my room. And the last thing I want to do is add some more life to my room. I already have these two plants and that one right there, but I think I should add a little bit more. So I saved these jars and I think I'm going to plant some plants.
I'm back! So I planted these 4 plants. Wait, can't really see me. There we go. Okay guys, so I planted these 4 plants. Let me show you. So we have these 4 plants, and these are all plants from my backyard, the same ones as the ones that I have hanging over there. So there we go. I think they look super cute, and the plan is for me to put them right here. Okay, let me show you. I'm trying to get this whole set up. Can you see? Yes, I think so. So my goal is to have this right here, and my goal is to fill up this whole thing with plants. Eventually this is going to be completely filled, so it's still a work in progress. But what is really cool is that, like I told you guys, Trufa likes to eat my plants. I think most cats like to do that, so if I have these small jars, I can still close it at night, so Trufa doesn't eat them. Boom.
And of course, this room makeover wouldn't be complete without Trufa. That's it for the room makeover. Let me show you the end results. So this is what you see when you walk into the room. On this wall, I have all of these decorations, my bed, my plants, Trufa, my plant, my little table, my dresser, Trufa's bed, my desk, my ring light, my new babies, and my closet. Well, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!